Hey guys, welcome back to Click Academics. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to use the distributive property to solve multi-step equations. So right here, we have the equation 5 minus 3 over x equals 9 plus 5 over x. And if you notice, we have x as our denominator in this case. So to make this equation simpler, we want to get rid of the x as a denominator. And how we're going to do that is we're going to multiply x to both sides. And if we do that, we get rid of x as our denominator. We could write this as x times 5 minus 3 over x is equal to x times 9 plus 5 over x. Because when we're multiplying x to both the terms 5 over x and negative 3 over x, we're getting rid of the denominator because these two cancel out. So this is just, well, let's first use the distributive property to distribute our x here. We distribute x to all the terms in the parentheses. So 5 times x, that's 5x, minus, remember, these two cancel out. So this is just 3 equals x times 9, that's 9x, plus these two cancel out, so this is just 5. And we're left with 5x minus 3 equals 9x plus 5. And this is simple to solve. This is just a normal equation. We first try to get these two on the same side because they're both variables. So let's do that by subtracting 5x on both sides. So this is negative 3 equals 9x minus 5x is 4x plus 5. Now let's subtract 5 on both sides. And this leaves us with negative 8 equals 4x. And this means that negative 2 is equal to x.